Come test drive the 2017 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power passenger seat, keyless entry, third row seat, Bluetooth, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, front floor mats, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.